Stop shipping manually. Let Amazon FBA handle your TikTok orders in seconds. So you can see here is a listing right here, and we already have 2 items sold. TikTok did not do the shipping. I didn't do the shipping. It's connected to our Amazon account, which does the shipping. So in order to do this, you just create your product on TikTok Seller Center. Make sure it has the same exact SKU as your FBA listings in Amazon. You can see the FBA listings right here. Needs to match the same SKU. And obviously you do need inventory in Amazon FBA for this to work. So that's going to be the first thing. Once you're done that, you're going to just type into Google, MapMyChannel. This is going to be the platform that connects your TikTok to your Amazon account. So when an order comes in on TikTok, Amazon automatically gets notified, puts in the tracking number into TikTok, and then ships it to the TikTok customer automatically. So you're going to click on this button. Then you're going to click login, and it is free. So you're going to click sign up, and then you're going to connect your TikTok to your Amazon account. So make sure you connect your TikTok to your Amazon account. And then once it's completely set up, it's going to look something like this. It'll look just like this. And you can see the TikTok is automatically connected to the Amazon account. Now you want to have these settings turned on if you like, so that way the orders automatically sync, the inventory automatically syncs, the tracking number syncs. So when Amazon does ship it, gets the tracking number, it automatically gets pushed through to TikTok. That's my recommendation. If you want to sync the prices, you can as well, but that's up to you. And you can go through the settings here and then make sure Amazon ships it in a blank box. So that way they're not getting an Amazon box. So you can go through the settings here. After that, you're going to go and you can see some different orders that we have, shipments, and of course the plans. Now there are paid plans, but you could just start off on a free plan. And then when you want to upgrade to a paid plan, you can, but hey, free's awesome. Now you can see we recently had an order on TikTok, and what happens is it says the source is from TikTok. It's closed because it's already shipped. You can view the order on TikTok, and then what happens is this tool automatically notified Amazon. So you can view it on Amazon, then shipped it to the customer, and then put in the tracking number automatically into TikTok. So this is as automated as shipping gets. Now, one last thing is you do need to go into shipping settings into TikTok and make sure it's set up to self-ship, right? So right now, usually it's set up to TikTok shipping, but TikTok's not doing the shipping. Amazon is. So you need to have it on seller shipping. If you don't, then the connection won't work properly. Amazon will most likely ship it, but you won't be able to automatically get that tracking number from Amazon, and it won't automatically plug into TikTok. So make sure you have selling shipping on, and then it's going to be, again, it's going to work most likely seamlessly. The great part is MapMyChannel does have a help center, and you can just set up a call right away with them, and then they can go through if there's any errors or anything. I do also in the description have a full course on this, so you can go to courses. I pretty much told you how to do it, but if you want to have a more in-depth, we do have a paid course, completely optional. And this is just going to tell you how our clients made over $1 million on TikTok, well, using TikTok, and then it was connected to Amazon. So Amazon made $1 million, and it's because of TikTok. How did they do that? Also, if you want a more in-depth connection on how exactly we did this, that's in there, and a lot more regarding TikTok. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon or TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you are a Amazon or TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling online, contact BHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of BHP Consulting Group, signing out.